Heavenly especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money presently estimated at $0.112066 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,119,213,454 and spite of prevalent thinking. Over the past really couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Heavenly, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and by and large are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in an unobtrusive way. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against a taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which is genuinely huge. Retail financial backers and dealers sort of are keen on digital currencies genuinely, for example, XLM in light of the fact that this basically is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources especially have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat in every practical sense, brief timeframe in an unobtrusive way. These profits are especially impossible in every practical sense, different business sectors, which in a real sense is the justification for why most really moderate financial backers certainly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Heavenly. While the groundbreaking ones fundamentally commit a huge piece of their especially cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in a significant manner. At this exceptionally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Heavenly to the level at $0.112066, where it presently in a real sense sits in an unobtrusive way. As currently referenced, XLM fundamentally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 25th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the really metric that in a real still up in the air by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which for the most part is genuinely critical. On account of Heavenly, the market capitalization certainly remains at $3,119,213,454. The significance of this boundary will truly be made sense of later in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in certainly such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to explicitly give our endorsers the most reliable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily generally evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense, conclude whether it should be reconfigured. Showing how Heavenly explicitly is a mid-position digital money right now estimated at $0.112066 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,119,213,454 versus the basically thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which truly is especially crucial for the especially right assessment of both sort of current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its most certainly present and future heading in an unpretentious manner. Underneath you will explicitly find truly key passages of this authentic information, so you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Heavenly market is going, which by and large is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on October 26, XLM really was esteemed at $0.114294 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in a real sense. Recall that digital currencies explicitly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every way that really matters, added up to 1.59%. 7 days prior, on October 20, Heavenly sort of was exchanged at $0.107238 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its fundamentally present position, which is very huge. On September 27, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged XLM at $0.111835, the cost level that basically is at the distance of 0.21% from where it right now in every practical sense stands. The cost of XLM and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a major way. Market capitalization in a real sense is another significant by and large metric that for the most part assists traders with by and large deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, showing how 7 days prior, on October 20, Heavenly truly was exchanged at $0.107238 at the end of the exchanging meeting. denoting the 0% cost shift from that truly near its current position, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Heavenly certainly holds inside the whole digital money market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization really is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the cash being referred to is increased by its genuinely current cost, which especially is very huge. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of XLM in a real sense remains at $3,119,213,454, enough to name it the 25th, practically the biggest coin on the digital money market. Yesterday, on October 26, the market capitalization of Heavenly by and large remained at $3,180,125,911 in a genuinely huge manner. 7 days prior, on October 20, the capitalization of XLM truly was $2,978,890,330 in a huge manner. A month prior, on September 27, how much by and large capital streaming around this for the most part specific market really added up to $3,098,670,982, exhibiting that a few institutional financial backers even basically consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, in spite of mainstream thinking. Most digital currency financial backers for the most part stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with and in every practical sense, certain cryptographic money, and its capacity to for the most part endure disturbances which are the by and large normal event on this profoundly unstable market, or so they generally thought. The sort of most extreme stockpile of Heavenly in a real sense is 50,001,806,812 XLM. The sort of all-out supply of XLM as of now sort of stands at 50,001,787, 132 coins in a by and large significant manner. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey most certainly is 27,833,664, 570 XLM in an unobtrusive manner. This Heavenly cost expectation wouldn't in a real sense be essentially finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital currency dealers to in a real sense affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move, which for the most part is very huge. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume, there explicitly is a sort of high likelihood that this move essentially is unreasonable and would truly bring about a bullish snare, which in a real sense shows that our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in every way that really matters is truly fundamental for the truly right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its fundamentally present and future course in a quite huge manner. Consequently, it's critical to in a real sense break down the truly past and the ongoing exchanging volume of XLM request to comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in a very large manner. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume on the